Well, folks, we are back at Guilford Lake. It's hot as hell outside today, so we picked a little shady spot. We're gonna see if the spot works. We're gonna try something different with our chicken liver. It's the first time I ever tried this. But I got this bait thread that's supposed to help with keeping the bait on the hook. Just give it a whole bunch of wraps. Try that out. And it just break. Get that excess, just wrap it around a couple more times around the hook, drop it on the ground, and we're gonna throw her out there. And she stayed on the hook. Now if we keep the bait stealers from taking it off the hook, we're going to be in business. All right. Now, see those? That's why they used to call me fast hands back in the day, B-roll. Yeah, I'm sure I'll get better at this eventually. See if this part makes the cut. And what's on there is good. Throw that one over towards that one. Not out there ready for it, but that's okay. Oh yeah. He's on. Fish on. Not big. Not big at all. Hey, it's a hybrid. Not the size we were looking for. But look at that test with the thread. The bait's chicken liver still on the hook, B-roll. As if I could just grab this son of a gun. Like Jay, no pliers needed. All right, think that thing was stalked in here this morning? God, he ain't big, but he's on. It's coming right in. Well, it is something. Actually bigger than the ones at the other spot. I just gotta make sure that rod doesn't get dragged in the water because I knocked the rod holder over. Come on. The sooner you stop, the sooner you can come off the hook. Yeah, barely got him hooked in the corner of the mouth there. Getting a little bit bigger. Let's see if we can catch his parents before we leave. Look, that little one. I think he's on. Yeah, he's on there. He's coming right in. Thought we left the little ones at the other spot. We came over this spot to get away from these guys. Oh, you got my line all tangled up. You little son of a gun. All right. Sorry. Oh. If you watch that from Larry's fishing over in Australia. I drop them too, buddy. Yep. Not a another. Oh, did he come off? Yeah, he's on. Oh no, he's on. He's just a little guy again. I tell you what, this is a good sign for the future of this place. Not next year, but the year after, they're going to drain this lake halfway to fix the dam. But these things will still be alive and they'll just be growing and thriving. Hello, little guy. There, little guy. I see you sliding all the way up the line there. There we go. There we go. Unhooked himself down the rocks. All right. I really jade that one. I'm trying to save you. Got a cramp. Come on. No. You have no idea what I did for you. Try that again. Oh, we got a splasher. We got a splasher. Try to do this right this time. Don't want him to end up in the rocks with his brother. I mean, well, the hooks look like we're using way too big of hooks because we're not trying to catch them this small. That was a close one. I think this might be the smallest of the day. Yeah, same like the rest of them. I mean, even the little guys are cool fish. Got my string, half my liver. Try not to bounce you off rocks. There you go. Alright guys, it was a good time out here today. We didn't get anything big, but the real reason we came is we wanted to try this thread to keep chicken liver on the hook, and I tell you what, it definitely put it to the test. $5 fin feather fur. I suggest getting some. We didn't cast bait off once today. Still had some bait stealers, take some bait off the hook, but it definitely made a world of difference. We're going to use this from now on. Catch you on the next one.